Pineapple, summertime. Hey everyone, I'm Yankel, and today we're gonna dig a little deeper into marinating. Today we're working with a flat iron steak. Flat iron is cut from the chuck, which is a well-used muscle, but the flat iron itself is fairly tender. Salt and pepper never hurt anybody. Lime zest, giving us some acidity and some flavor. Ginger is gonna help with the tenderizing process, add additional flavor. A little brown sugar for balance. That'll also help caramelize. Minced garlic, also for flavor. Now the key component, we've got our pureed pineapple. Use fresh pineapple. Your favorite olive oil. Yeah. Make sure it covers it well, get it in the cracks, and then we're gonna let it sit for 2 hours. Just massaging my meat. Hard to stay serious when everyone's just cackling in the background. We're gonna throw it in the fridge for about 2 hours. In the meantime, we're gonna make our rice. We're gonna do a coconut rice, and we're gonna finish it with some grilled pineapple. So I've got my rice cooker, rice, and now I'm gonna substitute coconut milk and water. So not all water, a little bit of coconut milk, a little bit of water. Ginger, garlic. We're gonna take a look at our flat irons. And something to remember is this marinade works really well for all those grilling steaks that have grains in them. Flank steak, hanger steak, vet steak, really helps tenderize them. Ready to grill. I'm pineapple drunk. Mouth watering. My God, that smell. We're gonna cut up a pineapple for our rice. Quick tip on doing it quickly. Take the bottom off. Take the top off. Now we go. Skin off. Now for taking the core out. Right down the middle. Open it up, go in halfway, flip it around. Repeat behavior. We're gonna leave nice big chunks so we can grill it easily. Alrighty, time to finish our rice. So we cooked it with water, coconut milk. Now we're gonna add all of our final ingredients. So we're gonna give it a squeeze of grilled lime juice. We're gonna add our grilled pineapple. Just cut it up into chunks. And you'll see those lines heading in a particular direction. That's the grain, so we're gonna cut against it. It became filet, but with all the flavor of a flat iron. Wild. Thanks so much for watching. That was awesome. I'm surrounded by information. Click below for links to the recipe. On your left, you'll find a subscribe button, and on your right, way more delicious cooking videos. I'm Yankel. I'll see you in the next one.
Oh my God. So good.
We might have to use that.